As you might remember, this is my first Hermes 3000, made in 1961. I bought this back in 2011 for $15. The machine is in good shape. It's definitely well preserved. It has a bit of a dent in the back and a few tiny scratches, but the machine types very well. The platen is a bit worn, so I put an extra piece of paper in here. The period is very sharp, so it punctures the paper fairly easily. Now, about a month ago, I bought an exact copy of that one for $13 at the garage sale. This one is in better overall shape. Still a bit of a worn platen, but this one does the job. Overall condition of this machine is good. This one has a bit more scratches, especially at the front. So you can see this one doesn't have that. And on the back as well, you can see this one only has that ding, the dent. And then finally today I received my most recent Hermes 3000. One of the very last, actually. These, for those that don't know, these are the first of the series 3000. Then a more square model came after that in the late 1960s. And then after that came a plastic Hermes 3000 in the early 70s. And then this machine came out also in the 70s. This is back to metal actually. This is metal, not plastic. This is the last of the Hermes 3000. It's a S model. I got it today. I haven't cleaned it up today yet, so it's a bit dusty. Bought this for $7. It's in very good shape, very well preserved. I could only find a few small scratches on the back, but that was it. The ribbon in it is still typed, so I'll do a quick type sample. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. All the keys work except the equals key, which is a bit sticky, which I will demonstrate. I'll give that a bit of an oil and that should work fine then. Just the inside. It's very clean overall. I mean, I don't think this is nicotine staining. I'm not too sure. I haven't touched this yet that much, so it still needs some cleaning, as you can see. But the ribbon in it's still the original ribbon and it still works fine, so I'll probably keep that in there. As you can see, it's worn, I definitely used, but I might still be able to use it. This one has a bit of a tricky cover to put back on. There we go. Yeah, the overall condition of this machine is very good. They seem to have fixed the period problem. On these machines, the period is very sharp and usually destroys the platen eventually. That one more than that one. The interesting thing about this, first of all, is it's not Swiss, it's Polish. It's made in Poland, according to this sticker in the back. And the other thing that I find interesting is that the design is more related to the facet typewriter. As you probably have noticed, is that the carriage lock is the same system as on a facet, for instance a TP1. You pull it out to lock it, you push it in to engage, disengage it. Another funny matter in that is that, for instance, this carriage system is also the same system as on the facet TP1. Let's see if I can try any more resemblance. Yeah, this is the tab set in clear, which is very interesting, because that's also like the facet TP1. Like on the old Hermes, you have the tab sets here and here, and they're all clear here. Here you don't have that. It's very interesting. I don't know why they went after the look and the design of the facet TP1, but it's definitely something that is interesting to discover. The color selector is here, works fine. I think it has paper support. Yes, it does. And the funny thing is, it's the same kind as on a facet TP1. See? Bell works. Yeah, this is overall a very good and very well built machine. All the functions work. Comes with a case. The case is plastic, but the machine isn't, so I'm surprised that it holds so well, because it's actually quite heavy. It's heavier than those. I don't know why they went back to the metal. Not that I complain, because, you know, I prefer the metal over the plastic machines. This is the line spacing. 1, 2, and 3. All the keys are in very good shape. The shift knob seems to be yellowed a little bit, but that's it. I love the decal, the Hermes decal on this machine. It's very 70s looking, as you can see. I like that. I wonder what the S stands for. I think it means special. Like it's a definition for special, but I'm not too sure. Could be something else. Final? No. I don't know. If anybody knows that, please let me know. And then yeah, on this one, you haven't seen this one, but it's pretty much the same as that. It has more scratches, but is in better shape overall. I cleaned this up. The type on this, the feel on this machine is a lot better than that one, which is interesting. I mean, the design of this is exactly the same, of course. Okay, I'm gonna cut this video right now. Thank you very much for watching. Stay tuned. Bye bye.